I'm Colin Massey, horticulture agent at the Washington County Extension Office. Mulch can provide a number of benefits to the home gardener. Properly mulched trees, landscape beds, and gardens help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and can provide organic matter additions over time. Here we have some hardwood mulch, which is great for mulching trees, shrubs, and garden walkways. Some people prefer pine bark, pine needles, or even straw for raised beds or gardens. Now, it's a common myth that pine needles will acidify your soil. It's true that pine needles have a low pH, around 3.2, but by the time they've fallen from that tree and begin to get decomposed by microorganisms, that acidity has largely been neutralized and it's not going to have a significant effect on your soil. So remember, mulch can offer a number of benefits to the garden or the landscape. It's usually very easy to find and also very inexpensive. Visit uaex.edu for more home gardening resources.